T-Dog Nation, welcome to day number 13 of the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill, number 2. These 12 trucks have already proven and shown that they have what it takes to go all the way to the King round and see if they can take him out. These 12 trucks have also already punched their ticket into the big finale. But the question is, which one of these 27 trucks has what it takes to become finalist lucky number 13 and join our other 12 trucks in the big finale? With that being said, let's get right into day lucky number 13. Kicking us off for day 13, we have El Superfasto, the Chevy Camaro, and Motosaurus. Day number 13 is underway. Here we go. Who's going to get the first win of the day? It's going to be Motosaurus. Race number 2 of round 1, we have Burger Delivery, Wild Streak, and Hot Wheels Racing number 3. Marks, get set, go! Good race to the finish, but it's going to be Burger Delivery just edging out Wild Streak. Great race. And for race number 3, we have the New Day, Spur of the Moment, and Bionic Bruiser. Good race. Bionic Bruiser is going to be truck number 3 in the round of 9. Race number 4 consists of Hydra, the Mr. Krabs version of Roger Dodger, and Skeleton Crew. Let's drop those gates. Good race. Hydra out front, gets it done, and is in the next round. Here we go with the next race. We have Leonardo from TMNT, Will Trash It All, and Hotweiler. Good race. We'll trash it all out front. And we'll move on. Race number 6 of this first round, we have Radical Racer, Ryu, and 5 Alarm. And they're off. Wow, Ryu way out front. Struck number 6 in the round of 9. Up next, the glow-in-the-dark 5 Alarm, Kunkster, and Shark Reek. Oh, who's going to the next round? Shark Reek out front! Shark Reek is going to the next round. The second to last race of this first round, we have the red Buns of Steel. Now, remember, in day number 11, we saw the green and blue Buns of Steel make it to the finale. How will this version do? And then we have SpongeBob and Samson. Samson, wow, did not see that one coming. But Samson moves on. And for the last race of round 1, we have the V-Dub Drag Bus, Thanos, and Roger Dodger. I have a feeling that this is about to be a fantastic race. Thanos out front. Thanos is the final truck in the round of 9. And kicking us off for the round of 9 is Motosaurus, Burger Delivery, and Bionic Bruiser. Who's going to be the first truck in the contender round? It's going to be Burger Delivery. Who will be truck number 2? Will it be either Hydra, Will Trash It All, or Ryu? And they're off. Who's going to be truck number 2? It's going to be Will Trash It All out front. And the third and final truck in the contender round will be either Shark Reek, Simpson, or Thanos. Who's it gonna be? It's going to be, no surprise there, Thanos is the final truck in the contender round. Here we go. Day number 13 contender round. Burger Delivery, Will Trash It All, and Thanos. As always, it's the first truck to win 2, and they will bump over 1 lane after every race. Contender round race 1. Here we go. Who's going to get the first win? It's going to be Will Trash It All. All they need is just one more. If Will Trash It All takes this, it's all over. But Burger Delivery comes back and gets their first win. Can Thanos tie it up? And we go into a tiebreaker? No, he will not. Burger Delivery is finalist. Lucky number 13. There you have it, T-Dog Nation. Burger Delivery is finalist. Lucky number 13. And has punched their ticket into the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill finale. If you guys enjoyed, please do me a big favor. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and ring the bell to never miss a time that I post. With that being said, I will see you guys next time in day number 14 as we continue to race beyond limits, one track at a time. T-Dog is checking out.